Hello everyone. Let us discuss about how to determine if we are using BRF plus condition. Before I go and create sales order, just see what is the FUBR is assigned to logistic integration profile. So here you see that this is FUBR is assigned. Now I am going to create sales order. This is now what I'm expecting. System should determine FUBR from logistic integration profile. So which is assigned in SPRO. So I save the sales order and I go to display mode of the sales order and I go to TM status tab. So I click on document flow and I click on freight unit to see the FUBR. So here you see FUBR is determined from SPRO, that is from logistic integration profile. So this is the traditional way of determining FUBR. But if you wanted to determine FUBR using BRF plus condition, so this is the place where you need to assign your BRF plus condition. So before you assign BRF plus condition for FUBR determination, so you need to define the relevant BRF plus condition for FUBR determination. Now I'm going to show you where you can define BRF plus condition. So you need to go to planning. So once you click on planning, you will have a work list called condition work list. So find out condition work list. Yeah, here you have condition work list. So with interest of time, I have already defined one FUBR, one BR plus condition for FUBR determination. But you can see what is the standard condition type that we have to use to create BR plus condition to determine FUBR. Okay, so I go to details. So here you can see you have to specify your condition name, description, and condition type, and origin of condition, that is a BR plus. And if you scroll down, see you can see what are the so what are the fields that you wanted to use to determine your BRF plus conditions. Okay, so for example, in this example I have used source location, destination location, product. So assume you got the requirement from your project, so you wanted to determine different FUBR by looking at source location, destination location, and product. Okay, so here the important thing is, so once you identify what are the fields that you wanted to use to determine FUBR, though you need to specify. So name of BO used condition, for example, since we are using this BRF plus condition to determine FUBR, so you need to use TRQ object, and we have identified fields called source location and destination location and products. So these fields are available in the source document at item level. So this becomes name of the BO node used in condition is become item. Then you need to select the relevant name of the fields of the BO node. So for example, if I look at source location, so uh, this is the technical fields for source location. And the most important thing is, once you select the fields, so there is one more class that you need to select. This is the standard class. So this will to determine this help to get the data from the business document, that in our example, that is a sales order, to the TM document. Okay, so next here next example is destination location and also product. Okay, so in case, for example, you wanted to add new field say for example ship to party. So assume you have a requirement to determine your FUBR using by looking at by looking at ship to party. So you can click on edit and you can insert one more you can create one more access sequence definition, and you can just type uh, ship to party. Yeah, you can before you can type, you can select the relevant BO used condition, field, and other details. Like now TRQ. And in this example, so earlier we used item, right? Because this was location destination location part of item data in the business document. But in this example, but ship to party, this always will become uh, it will be available in a header of the business document. So you need to select the route instead of item. So once you select the route, you need to select the relevant fields in the route. So I'm just trying to find out the relevant field for ship to party. Here you can see. So once you select the field, and as I mentioned earlier, so you can specify your description of the field. And once you go down, so you need to specify, this is a very important, you need to specify uh, uh, the relevant determination class to get the data from the business document. So this is a standard class, so you can specify it. So once you're done, so you will see that you see that ship to party field is added into your condition record. So once you have identified fields, once you have defined your data, access definition, so you can save the record and you can put it into the TR. Then okay, so I'm not adding ship to party field into current example. Okay, now so this is our condition table to determine. So I'm just checking the FUBRs which are assigned in BRF plus condition are defined or not defined. So if I see here, freight unit building rule app, so you see that ZSG, TG 11 and 12 are created. So and the same FUBRs are assigned in BRF plus table. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign that FUBR FUBR BRF plus condition into SPRO. So this is the BRF plus condition that I have defined for FUBR determination. Okay. Now I will create new sales order for the same data set which I maintain in BRF plus conditions. So I'm just checking what is the condition record is maintained. So here you see the product is TG11. I'm expecting FUBR to determine, yeah, TG11 and FUBR SG underscore TG11. Okay. So okay, create sales order now. So I'll enter sold to some customer reference say FUBR determination via BRF place. And select the relevant sales area and enter the same material what you maintain in now in a BRF plus condition. So you see that source location. Just verify whether you have maintained correct source location. So source location nothing but shipping point. Yes, maintained. And destination location is nothing but ship to party. So yes, we are creating sales order for ship to party. Just let us check. Yes, and just see the product. So which is the product? Yes, I'm using same product to create sales order. Okay, now let us save the sales order. So sales order is saved. So sales order has been saved, and go to the sales order display mode and look the TM status tab and click on document flow. So click on freight unit. Yeah, now you see here FUBR is determined. So where is my Fury? Just checking Fury app. 1 second. FUBR ZSG underscore TG11 is determined. Just checking BRF plus table. Yes, you see that now system is determined FUBR based on the BRF plus condition record that you maintained here.